जो दिखते हो खूबसूरत खुदा ने ऐसे लोग कम बनाए हैं। जो दिखते हो खूबसूरत खुदा ने ऐसे लोग कम बनाए हैं। जिन्हें ऐसा बनाया है वो आज इस ऑडिटोरियम में आए हैं। So first of all, I would like to say good afternoon, respected Abdullah sir and ma'am, and all my dear friends, and all beautiful persons. Thank you, Happiness Institute, for giving me this great opportunity. My name is Pradeep Singh. Today, I am super excited and very enthusiastic for today's event. And today, this is great and incredible moment for all of us. As we all know that Happiness Institute is doing great work for all of us. And today we all are so happy because Happiness Institute has completed 12 great years. And my journey with Happiness Institute is going great so far. And I think so that in upcoming time Happiness Institute will grow and it will add happiness and value to others' life. So, if you are really curious and serious for yourself, you think so that we should have dynamic personality. You want to attract good personality. You want to expose yourself. So the topic on which today I am here going to talk about, which is very important for us. And if we have a lack of this, then we cannot make good foundation, good connection to each other. So hello ladies and gentlemen, today I am here going to talk about mutual respect. I have one question for all of you. What is mutual respect? Raise your hand. Is there no one who knows about mutual respect? No need to worry, I am going to tell. Mutual respect is the foundation of genuine harmony. Mutual respect means giving respect to each other with dignity and recognizing their value. And it is the feeling of deep love, care, emotions, admiration for others. And mutual respect is a bridge to understanding diverse perspectives. Let me tell you one thing. Until unless we have mutual respect, then we cannot create good relationship between parents, brother, sister, husband, wife. That's why we all should be aware about mutual respect. If we know about it, then we can create trust, love, good foundation, good connection to each other. I would like to have a humble request to all of you. Please stand up, everyone. Please repeat me. So from today, we will give mutual respect to each and everyone. Because it shows our personality and our development. Thank you everyone for standing. Now have a seat. Mutual respect is the golden rule of a relationship. Mutual respect is the key to trust with other people. If you don't have mutual respect, what type of English you are learning? What type of personality you are growing? If you don't have mutual respect. Mutual respect is the oil that keeps relationship going smoothly. We also have mutual respect for others. We all have mutual respect for others. We all give mutual respect for others. Then we can change tendency and temperament for others. And establish good relationship with each and everyone. Because men need respect and women need love. It should be good relationship between our parents, brother, sister, teacher, student, husband, wife. And mutual respect means giving respect to each one another. And it is the currency of human connection. We also get to hear that many people don't work with their wives, friends, husband. Why? Because they don't have mutual respect, as well as don't have knowledge about it. And it is the key to someone's heart. When it comes to mutual respect, that is mutual respect. In today's era, if we want to build a good relationship, so we want good mutual respect. Mutual respect means active listening, collaboration, cooperation, impact, understanding, diverse perspectives. Mutual respect means support and encouragement. And mutual respect brings humanity and fairness in our life. Mutual respect involves promoting communication about self-management, self-awareness, self-control in yourself. And what do you think about mutual respect? Some people have ego. What is it? They don't care about mutual respect. Why, ladies and gentlemen? I want to know from you. I believe in the power of mutual respect, and I know that all people must know about it. The best way to make place in people's heart, that is mutual respect. It should be a top priority that we all should have good relationship. As per my observation, without mutual respect, it's not possible. Until unless we have mutual respect, then we will find peace, calmness, happiness, quietness, kindness in ourselves. And if someone gives you mutual respect, then we can say he or she will definitely have a gratitude, aptitude, attitude for yourself. And as far as mutual respect is concerned, we all want good relationship with each and everyone. Relationship depend on our behavior. There is no shortcut for good relationship. Mutual respect is the foundation of our relationship. And it seems to me that many people get a lot of problems in today's era. Sad, stress, tension, depression, frustration, anxiety. Because they don't know about mutual respect. What is mutual respect? They don't know. According to me, if we know about it, then we can create. Then we can add happiness and value to others' life. And start a good relationship with each and everyone. Until we have mutual respect, then we cannot create adaptability, flexibility, humbleness, politeness in our internal side. And I think so that we all should have good mutual respect for one another. Mutual respect, what is the meaning of mutual respect? Mutual respect comes from changing yourself. Mutual respect comes from positive attitude. And mutual respect comes from positive mindset. If you have positive mindset, then you will have connectivity, positivity, patience, passion about yourself. And I think so that where there is mutual respect, there will be self-improvement, ladies and gentlemen. It was not important in our life, but mutual respect is most important in our life. So now, respected Abdullah sir and ma'am and all my dear friends, I would like to wind up my topic. If I made any mistake, so please forgive me. And thank you Happiness Institute for giving me this great opportunity. बिंदास मुस्कुराओ क्या गम है, जिंदगी में टेंशन किसको कम है, अच्छा या बुरा तो केवल गम है, जिंदगी का नाम ही कभी खुशी कभी गम है। आप सभी खुश रहे, स्वस्थ रहे, मस्त रहे। Thank you everyone for listening to me carefully. Thank you so much. क्या बात है, ये तो वही होगा ना? Oh my God! बिल्कुल शॉक है, सभी जब भी होता है हमें लगता है हम यहाँ क्यों खड़े हैं? एक बार तक हम वहाँ जाते हैं नहीं स्टेज पे रहते हैं बिल्कुल पूरी तरीके से। एक शायरी करना चाहूँगी, क्या सब चुनूं तुम्हारी आन बान शान में, क्या सब चुनूं तुम्हारी आन बान शान में, कहना काफी नहीं है तुम
तबादुल क्या है में?
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. And thank you, Mr. Abdullah sir. I am speaking this kind of because of happiness is and because of Mr. Abdullah sir. Thank you, Mr. Abdullah sir and ma'am and all my dear friends.